Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I got two surprises. First, I got this nice 5-pack Corvette package. I've been waiting to open this too. And also, look, I'm yellow, and this Corvette's yellow. See? Yay. But yeah, let's put this right here. And also, I went to McDonald's and I got one of these. So yeah, first let's open one. Let's open this. Okay, got Pikachu looking different. Oh, we get a card pack. Let's open that. Why not? Oh, I actually don't know how to. Oh, you need it. Oh, this is how you open it, huh? Okay, here are the here are the Pokemon cards, whatever. Oh, these Pokemon. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. Pop the deck. What do we got? Oh, look, we got Charmander. I have Charmander already. It's got this little 25 thing. We got this boy. We got Squirtle, 25. We got Tersting. And they got the Senquil. I forgot. But still, like, I don't get it. Why didn't they make it, like, sparkly? But, yeah. We got a bunch of 25-year Pokemon cards. This is a dying Charmander. Because it's rain. There we go. I don't know if this man's name. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, there's all the cards. And also, I can't believe this is made out of regular, like, construction paper. I don't know. So, let's see what else is in here. Oh, yeah. Ow. Oh, yeah, we got this little background. It's like, oh, we get a beach. I want the beach one. Let's do this. I got a great idea. There we go. Guzzles at the beach. There you go. That's nice. Guzzles at the beach. Okay, let's just put this right here. Okay, next, we're going to open the Corvette package. So first, let's open this side. Okay, finally. Wait. Okay. Okay, I hate. Yeah, I don't even like them. Okay, next, here's a Corvette. This might go up there. Who knows? But still, here are all the Corvettes looking nice. First, okay, I'll pick this one. No, I'll pick this one out. What is this? What in the heck is this thing? What? Oh, I know Corvette. This one is like a really special one. Okay, this is a Corvette Stingray, and that's all it says. It's a Corvette Stingray, old one. It's like black, and it's got like this weird thing here. It's got some pretty cool windows, you know, and it's got this white stripe. I don't know, whatever. I'll talk about more of it. But yeah, let's just put the rotator. But yeah, this car just looks kind of weird, you know. It looks like, I don't know, it looks very flat. Interior's nice and red. You got the number 2 on it. Stripes, and got these, where all the air comes out. Got the side mufflers. Got the number 2. And it says HW Speed Shop. This is a classic car, huh? Yeah. The next car. Okay, next. Let's pick this one. What is this? Ooh, this looks something nice. This, I actually like this one. It's my favorite. This is a 1969 Capo Corvette. This Corvette is pretty nice, you know. Squeeze. But yeah, let's put it on the rotator. But yeah. First car's got a nice design, kind of like a Chevy or a Ford. And it's obviously got the curves and the lights. And it's got some American colors, you know what I'm saying? Got the red, got the blue. But yeah, this is an American car, I guess. But it is pretty nice. It's got the number 4. And it's got some blue windshields, I guess. And also windows, too. But this is honestly my favorite car because of design. Whew, but yeah. Next car we are gonna open and take a look at. It's probably this one. Oh yeah, this is what I've been waiting for. Here we got this is a Corvette C6R. This Corvette is pretty cool, you know. It just pretty cool. So it actually drives pretty smooth. Oh no. Okay, let's put it here. So yeah, this Corvette has got like a big body, and it's also got this nice spoiler, and it's also got the yellow color, like my shirt. And the car at the front of it's also got these black and white, like red and black, you know, tires, and also these here. It's also got this hole here for the engine, I guess. And this car looks pretty funny, but yeah. And also it's got the old-fashioned lights too. But okay, next Corvette, actually this one. Well, this is a old-fashioned Corvette I've seen before. So, here is the. Oh, this one doesn't have a date. This is like old 90s Corvette. But yeah, this car is pretty cool. It's got a nice, you know, kind of royal blue color. It's also got some pretty big windshields too, and it's also got some nice rims too. I like them. And on the front of the car, it's got these black kind of stripes down here, but they didn't make it all the way down to the car. Also got some pretty nice lights on here. Nice Corvette logo. But yeah, we got one more. Why do I need to stop this one? Okay, next one. I actually have two versions of this one. I like this one. Okay, this is. My God, no date on this one too? Hold up. I remember. I know I have this one. Hold up. I know I have it. Hold up. Okay, I do know I have it. Oh, wait, guys. Here, look. I think I might know what it is. Hold up. Okay. Ah. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. No spoilers. But here is the Corvette. This is. Did I just go all the way over there, just hit my shelf, and just get no name for this one? Okay, I do not know the name for this one. I exactly don't know, but this car's red, and it's got this, like, white kind of pattern here. It's got some nice white rims, too. It's even got a pattern down, and even on the back, too. And also, look how small the trunk is. It's pretty cool. Got a little cart. So yeah, I got one. I got two. And wait, guys, let's drive it. Wait, guys, I got one more. But yeah, so. But wait, guys. One more. I have one more car. It's the same like this. Now I gotta work all the way back to my table. So here it is. This is the 50th graduation of Hot Wheels car, and it's like a treasure hunt too. So let's put it over here. So here are the Corvettes. But yeah, I'm gonna here are all the Corvettes. I'm gonna show you all the Corvettes I got. So you guys, I'm gonna show you every single Corvette I got here. Show you all the Corvettes. But you guys, do you want me to show you every Corvette I have? I don't have that many, but do you want me to show you? Okay, but still, these are the Corvettes we have right here. I do have a few more, but yeah, this is pretty cool. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Wait, I forgot about these stickers. Look at this. We got I don't know. We got this guy, I forgot, Mud Smelt or something. We got this one, looks like a pear. Oh, this is my favorite now. Oshwa. No, it's not Oshwa. And then that is a Charmander. This man. Crocodile, I guess. Get Torchic. Pokemon. No, this guy, I don't know. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye. I might put the sticker somewhere.